Every year, millions of tons of fresh tomatoes are harvested in California's fertile valleys. Modern harvesters carefully separate only the ripest tomatoes, ensuring perfect quality for ketchup production. Quality control begins right here in the field. Only the finest tomatoes make it to the factory.
Within hours of harvesting, these fresh tomatoes will be transported to the processing facility to maintain peak freshness.
The journey from farm to factory is carefully timed. Temperature-controlled trucks ensure the tomatoes arrive in perfect condition.
Welcome to one of America's most advanced ketchup production facilities, where cutting-edge technology meets time-honored recipes.
All right, bring it back slow. Keep coming, keep coming. Hold it right there. Perfect.
Doors open. Looks like a full load of aromas.
Yeah, nice and cold in there. Let's start moving them.
Upon arrival, every shipment undergoes immediate quality inspection to ensure only premium tomatoes enter production.
Clear on the left. Bring that pallet out slowly. Watch your height.
Now the transformation begins. These fresh tomatoes will pass through over 20 specialized processing stages. Advanced optical sorting technology scans every tomato, identifying and removing any that don't meet strict quality standards.
Even with advanced technology, trained human inspectors provide a final quality check, ensuring only the best tomatoes proceed.
Tomatoes are precisely sorted by size to ensure uniform processing and optimal ketchup consistency. Supervisors continuously monitor every stage, ensuring processing efficiency and maintaining quality standards. Soft, rotating brushes gently clean every surface without damaging the delicate tomato skins. After thorough washing, the tomatoes emerge perfectly clean, ready for the next stage of processing.
Looks like some bruising on this one.
Agreed. Let's reject it.
UV sanitation ensures the highest level of food safety without chemicals or heat.
Now perfectly clean and sanitized, these tomatoes are ready to begin their transformation into ketchup.
Before processing, any remaining stems or cores are automatically removed with surgical precision. Random samples are continuously tested in the on-site laboratory to monitor sugar content, acidity, and overall quality. Temperature control ensures optimal conditions for processing, maximizing flavor and nutrient retention.
Now the real transformation begins. These perfect tomatoes are about to become ketchup. The crushing process begins. Powerful machinery will break down these whole tomatoes into pulp within seconds.
Precision screens separate skins and seeds, leaving only the purest tomato pulp for ketchup production.
A second refining stage ensures the silky smooth texture that premium ketchup is known for. Every aspect of pulp processing is digitally monitored and controlled for consistency and quality.
With the pulp refined to perfection, it's now ready for the cooking process, where ketchup truly comes to life.
Each kettle receives a precise blend of vinegar, sugar, salt, and proprietary spices in exact proportions.
As the mixture cooks, the tomatoes break down further, and the ketchup reaches its signature thick consistency.
Throughout cooking, samples are continuously tested to ensure perfect texture and consistency.
After precise cooking time and temperature control, the ketchup reaches its perfect, iconic consistency. The finished ketchup now moves to the bottling area, where it will be packaged for consumers worldwide.
Before any ketchup reaches bottles, it must pass rigorous quality tests in the on-site laboratory.
pH levels are meticulously tested to ensure both food safety and the perfect tangy flavor profile.
Microbiological testing ensures every batch is completely safe and free from harmful bacteria.
Once all tests are passed, digital approval is sent instantly to the bottling line to begin packaging. Thousands of bottles per hour move through the automated bottling line with precision timing. Each bottle is filled with exactly the right amount of ketchup, within a fraction of an ounce.
Nitrogen injection removes oxygen from bottles, preserving freshness and extending shelf life naturally.
Human inspectors provide additional quality checks throughout the automated bottling process.
The same quality ketchup is also packaged in convenient squeeze bottles for easy serving.
Labels are applied with precision, displaying brand information, ingredients, and nutritional facts.
Each bottle receives a unique production code for complete traceability from factory to consumer.
Tamper-evident seals ensure consumers can trust their ketchup hasn't been opened or compromised.
With quality assured, these finished ketchup bottles are ready for final packaging and shipment.
Robotic systems efficiently pack bottles into cases, maintaining perfect organization for shipping.
Make sure the dividers are snug on the left side. Got it. Moving to the next one now.
Each case receives a tracking label, ensuring complete visibility throughout the distribution network.
Pallets are securely wrapped, protecting the ketchup during storage and transportation to distribution centers.